Hey everybody, it's Mark with Sin City Tint. Oh, what a day. Unfortunately, what we're looking at is a busted window on a brand new Tesla Model Y. Let me start from the beginning. We just finished tinting a Rivian SUV, you'll see on the next video. Tony was back in the Tesla Inn for ceramic window tint, and Rocco was making sure he was center framed on camera. We were using computer cut patterns, of course, and then Rocco started chasing Tony. He likes to bite him on the feet. I'm not exactly sure why he chases him, but it could have something to do with me giving him apple treats. I continued cutting the car out on the computer while Rocco and Tony played grab ass. Hey, at least it keeps Tony on his toes. So now we're going to take these computer cut patterns, and because these Tesla windows are so curved, we're going to put them on the outside of the windows and shrink them so that we can apply them to the curve of the window on the inside. And then that's where things went wrong. Yep, that's the sound of the glass. Sorry guys, I lost my composure for a minute. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you what my reaction really was. But for now, let me show you what we did wrong.
Put my knife in there so that it thinks the door's closed. It rolls all the way to the up position. Go ahead. So this locks us in the up position, which is great for getting the window tint installed. We'll show you that in a minute, but you want to be careful not to close this door because the frame is all the way in the up position. And unfortunately, what can happen if you do that, because we accidentally close this driver's door, is you can break the window.
So it just so happens that this happens on a Saturday afternoon, and I haven't been able to get a hold of anybody to be able to replace the glass today. So for right now, we're going to go ahead and tint the rest of the vehicle, everything that is, except for the driver's door. It's still here because Model Y, beautiful tint. We put on everything except the driver's door. Hi, Tony. Turns out this customer actually works for Tesla, so when he drives to work on Monday, they're going to replace it for him, and of course, I'll pay for it. Hey, man, did you give me a total for that window? It's how much? I'm just kidding. I'm happy to take care of it, man. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. I'm going to have Tony pull it in right now, and we'll put 10 on there, so at least you got a cool ride to work on Monday. Well, here comes Tony again. Beautiful Tesla Model Y. Customer said it's going to take a week to replace this glass, so we went ahead and tinted it for him. And now I can't see Tony. Hi, Tony. I feel real bad about inconveniencing the customer, but turned out he's a really cool dude. Since shooting this video, he actually came back with the replaced window. We put the new ceramic window tint on it, and he's referred me several customers since then. So it turned out a lot better than it could have. Thank you, everybody, if you stuck around this long. Please help me build my channel by liking and subscribing. And here's the extra footage I promised you, but I did have to mute it.